All right, we are halfway through stirring this mixture of turbinado sugar and butter. So 3/4 cups of butter and 2 tablespoons. Let's put it back in the microwave now. All right, back we go in the wave for 20 more seconds, and then we'll get on with more. Now we are letting it cool for 5 minutes. These are the other ingredients involved. We have pecans, chocolate chips, 60% cacao, vanilla extract, bourbon, flour, and salt, sea salt, fine sea salt. Part of cooking is just seeing those Fahrenheits increase. Now we are whisking. It smells like butter. It smells like that of a movie theater. Oh, we're at 350. That's the magic number. But it smells like a movie theater right now, as movie theaters often have popcorn, which are buttery. Buttery. Okay, now we mix in the bourbon vanilla with my third hand. And now, like so. Ooh, smells very vanilla-y now. Any vanilla bean ice cream fans out there? That's not what this is. Here's the salt with my third hand. Very nice. Okay.
Add the flour.
Let's see. We're still at 350 Fahrenheit, which actually is 175 Celsius. That could be a trivia question, where Celsius is exactly half. Oh god, here's the flour. Okay. It's changing quickly. It looks like pancakes now. Pancakes. Pancake batter going in. Very good. See you later. We have nearly stirred in all the flour. There are some remains of flour on the outside portions of the bowl. As you can see, most of the mixture is now stuck in the whisker. Stuck in the whisker, so we use the spatula to simply divvy up. Yes. Very good. All right, now we're sprinkling in half of the pecans. And that is roughly half, so that we will, with my third and fourth hand here, we will fold in the pecans, like so. We're doing very well. By the way, we're making chocolate chip cookie brittle.
Go.
All right, so then simply what we were going to do here is we're going to take all this, I guess it's cookie dough now, and you place it like so. Like so. And there's no reason to get too nervous, but it's out of the bowl now. And now we will use our hands, like so, to extend the cookies through the entire placemat. And we'll show you the finished product when this is done. All right, so how about that? It looks like peanut butter, but you can't believe it's not peanut butter because it's cookie dough.
Because it's not peanut butter.
Well, it's you can't believe it's not peanut butter because it's not peanut butter. Right. All right, sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are or where you are. What's the lyric? Sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. Sprinkling chocolate over the fake peanut butter. And now we will also sprinkle these pecans over the fake peanut butter. And then we shall press them down lightly with your hands. Maybe spread and then press. Spread and then press. Lightly, very gently, with your hands. Cut. This is the finished pre-oven product. We've done very well. In case you were wondering, today is National Cooking Day, so it's very applicable. Do you have any clue what's going on? Do you have any clue? I don't think so. Sir. What are you doing? Walking by the oven, huh? Bodyguard. here's the finished product. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. As we see, the chocolate chips are still very omnipresent in the entire foundation of the deliverable. Now, what we see here with my third hand is that
Sample.
it's a sample. That's not in the instructions.
Sample. I just have to taste
I thought you were saying use a wide, thin spatula to loosen the edge of the brittle.
No, I have to let it cool.
It doesn't say to eat it.
It has to cool first. It's too hot. I'm pulling a Joey. I burned my mouth.
Well, I'm just waiting. I'm not going to pull a Joey. As we zoom in and we see there are pecans as well embedded. It's very warm. It's a very warm deliverable. Look at this chocolate chip cookie brittle. Brittle, Braxel, brittle, bramble. Ah, yes. Into my tummy. Look at that.
Giant cookie. Yeah, it's all pretty loose because of all the butter.
No oil, doesn't stick.
Nice.
Look at the side view. The side view is, oh yeah, this is like what models do when they're getting different photos taken of themselves. It's
Instagram models.
but this model
Is a cookie.
is a cookie brittle. All right, that's a wrap on the chocolate chip cookie brittle. As you can see, it's all cut up. It looks like an earthquake has happened across the entire vault. So, thanks for joining the first episode of Cooking with Baba.